Dear students, today we have to read the magnetic field intensity and which is denoted by B. It has a number of definitions. At first, we have to read number 1, magnetic field intensity in terms of lines of flux. You see, what do you mean by flux? The number of lines of force passing through an area is known as flux. And mathematically, magnetic field intensity B is equal to magnetic flux divided by area. So what means magnetic flux? Just like electric flux कौन लिखा था तुमको? The number of lines of force passing through an area is known as electric flux, which is denoted by phi E. Similarly, magnetic flux, the number of magnetic lines of force passing through the area is known as magnetic flux, denoted by phi P. So this magnetic flux divided by area, केतुटा lines of force pass होइछि by area रा परिमाण केते, ई दुटा एकर रेशियो को कोन लिखि परिया हमें magnetic flux intensity बा magnetic flux density बोले तो कोई परिया. So what is its definition? The strength of magnetic field at any point is defined as the number of flux lines passing through a unit area placed normally to the flux lines at that point. So what is the conditions behind it? The number of lines of force must be perpendicular to the plane. This is the plane सहित lines of force perpendicular जाउथवार अछि. This is the conditions for getting magnetic flux, and its SI unit is Weber per meter square, or it is also called as Tesla, and CGS unit is Maxwell per centimeter square, or it is otherwise called as Gauss. Understand? Another definition पढ़िया in terms of force on a moving charge. As we know, magnetic force Fm is equal to Q into V cross B, or it may be written as QVB sin theta, and it is maximum when theta equal to 90 because sin 90 is your 1. So implies magnetic force Fm is equal to QVB. From this relation, we can write magnetic flux B is equal to force upon Q into V. This is another definition. So first definition, magnetic field intensity is equal to magnetic flux divided by area. And another definition, magnetic field intensity B equal to F upon QV. So what is its definition? The strength of a magnetic field is numerically equal to the force experienced by a unit charge moving with a unit velocity at right angle to the direction of the lines of force of the field. And we have to read another definition, जो definition टा की each chapter पे बहुत नितांत आवश्यक, and this is called as in terms of force on a unit north pole. magnetic field intensity at any point in a magnetic field is defined as the force experienced by just like electric field E is equal to F upon Q. Similarly, magnetic field intensity B is equal to force experienced by a unit north pole placed at that point. Unit north pole means pole strength M आर एककटा जो एक यूनिट हो सी समय तक कही पार मैग्नेटिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी इन टर्म्स ऑफ फोर्स ऑन ए यूनिट नॉर्थ पोल. Let us consider an isolated magnetic pole of pole strength M is situated at the point O बिंदु पाखरे गोटे आइसोलेटेड ओ बिंदु पाखरे गोटे आइसोलेटेड मैग्नेटिक पोल अच्छी जार की पोल स्ट्रेंथ केते अच्छी M which is situated at the point O. Let P be a point which is situated at a distance of R where the intensity is to be determined. Imagine a unit pole to be placed at the point P. Unit pole means भाविनिया ये यदि M1 टाको आम पोल स्ट्रेंथ M1 नवा ये M2 इज इक्वल टू हाउ मच 1 यूनिट नॉर्थ पोल गोटे नेली. Now according to Coulomb's law F is equal to mu 0 upon 4 pi into M1 into M2 divided by R square. But in this case M1 is equal to M and M2 is equal to 1. So implies force F equal to mu 0 upon 4 pi into M into 1 divided by R square, or implies F is equal to mu 0 upon 4 pi into M by R square. This is the force. This above equation gives the magnetic field intensity inside a magnetic field at any point of observation, and this magnetic force may be written as also B. So at last we can write magnetic force means strength of the magnetic field. So force means strength is denoted by B. So B equal to mu 0 upon 4 pi multiply by M by R square. This is called as a magnetic field strength बोली कह बा magnetic force बोली आम कही परिया. Now we have to read magnetic dipole. Just like electric dipole क्या कहा जाए? If two equal and opposite charges are separated by a very small distance is known as electric dipole. Similarly, a combination of two isolated equal and opposite magnetic pole. Let this is your south pole and this is your north pole. Two equal and opposite, always the south is denoted for plus M and north is denoted for minus M. Yes or no? बुझिपार. When two equal and opposite poles are separated by a very small distance is called as magnetic dipole. For example, a bar magnet, a current loop, a solenoid, etc. are good examples of magnetic dipoles. Now another statement we have to read, that is your axial line. What do you mean by axial line? A line joining the two poles and extended on both sides is known as axial line. And another statement, equatorial line, this is called as axial line. जोटा कि एगुड़ा सब पढ़ाई पे तुम आगु जस्ट खाली रिमाइंड करिया कथा. व्हाट मीन बाय इक्वेटोरियल लाइन? ए लाइन पासिंग थ्रू ए पॉइंट midway between the south and north and perpendicular to the axial line is known as equatorial line. This line is known as equatorial line. Then what do you mean by ideal dipole? An ideal dipole is one which pole strength tends to infinity. जदि pole strength m रो मूल्यटा tends to infinite हुए, while the separation between the two poles is tends to 0. Separation means 2L tends to 0 because m equal to m equal tends to infinity means poles larger है सेमानक भितर दूरता कौन हो कमी जो so 2L tends to 0. Now what do you mean by bar magnet? A magnet is in the shape of rod or a bar having two poles north and south is called as bar magnet, and this is all about your magnetic field intensity as well as magnetic dipole. Next class we have to read magnetic field intensity at a point on the axial line as well as equatorial line. दुटा भेरी इंपोर्टाट लंग क्वेश्चन अच्छी नेक्स्ट वीडियो आम पढ़ा आप गोटे अच्छे इलेक्ट्रिक डाइपोल और मैग्नेटिक डाइपोल डिफरेंसटा नोट रे दिखाई अति सहज भलसे पढ़. थैंक यू.